Welcome to ktastro.com. You are watching Jupiter transit predictions for Mesha Rasi. Guru Bhagavan is moving from your Runaroga Chatursthanam to Kalastarsthanam on September 11, 2017. It is a very good news for you. Since Saturn was not placed well in the past 1 year, you would have gone through lot of problems affecting all major areas of your life. Mental stress would have gone up to test your extreme level. Now, all your sufferings will come to an end. You will start seeing good changes on your life. You will start coming out of physical ailments and gain more positive energies. You will do very well on your career and your financial problems will come down. The relationship with your family members are looking great for the next 1 year. Health. The combination of Jupiter on 6th house, Saturn on 8th house in the past 1 year would have affected your health badly. If you have done any surgeries, you will come out of the pain and start feeling good relief. Since Jupiter is aspecting your Janma Rasi, you will feel more positive energies. You will come out of prolonged mental anxiety problems. There is no surprise if your family members experienced any major health problems in the past 1 year. Your medical expenses will be very less going forward. If you have gained weight due to excessive work or depression, you will do more workouts and bring down your numbers to normal. You can use the next 1 year to regain and maintain sound health. Listen to Aditya Irdayam and Hanuman Chalisa in the morning to gain more strength. You can also recite Sudarshana Mahamantra. You will gain spiritual knowledge since Jupiter is aspecting your Janma Rasi. Last 1 year was looking miserable for family and relationship. There is no surprise if you had gone through temporary separation or serious fights with your spouse and other close family members. If you are under weak Mahadasa, you might have gone through humiliation in front of family members and relatives. Family politics would have gone up to extreme level in the past. With the favorable Jupiter on your 7th house, there will not be any more politics or problems from hidden enemies. You will discuss the problems openly with your spouse and family members to find a good solution. This Jupiter transit will make sure to solve the conflicts or disputes with any family members. Family reunion and get together can make you very happy. Your children will start listen to your words and give more respect to you. It is a time to conduct any Subhakarya functions like wedding, baby shower, housewarming, major milestone anniversaries, etc. Your family will gain good name and fame in your society. Love and romance. The irritation and tension caused by Saturn and Jupiter will come to an end completely in the next couple of months. Then you will have very good relationship with your spouse. It is an excellent time to enjoy conjugal bliss for married couples. Long-awaited couples will get blessed with baby. Progeny prospects are high through natural conception or through medical help. If you are eligible single, it is an exciting time for you to get into relationship and get married. If you have gone through any breakups in love affairs, you will get into new relationship. There is no surprise if you fall in love or get any love proposal in the next 1 year. Your love marriage will get approved by your parents and you will be happy with your progress on personal life for the next 1 year. You can plan to go to dream vacation spots as well. You will feel emotionally very good with the current Jupiter transit. Education. The last 1 year might have been filled with lots of failures and disappointments. There might be humiliation with in front of your relatives, family and friends. Jupiter will give you enough strength to come out of painful incidents happened in the past and you will start getting more interest on your studies. If you are addicted to drinking or smoking, you will come out of those bad habits. You will do very well on your exams and score excellent marks. You get easily admission into great colleges and universities. You will get many new friends to support your growth and success. Close intimacy with your boyfriend or girlfriend can give you happiness. Masters and PhD students will get their thesis approved in this year and complete the graduation. Work and career. The problems from hidden enemies and politics would have drained out your energy completely in the past 1 year. No surprise if you went through humiliation, demotion at workplace. Many of you would have gone through unwanted changes on your career and bad managers that would have affected your reputation. Guru Bhagavan will be aspecting your Janma Rasi can give you more positive energies in the next 1 year. It is a time for you to change your job and explore new opportunities. Your new job offer from big corporations will give you very good salary package and benefits. It is a time for you to take some risk to get foreign opportunities as well. Once you settle down in your new job and position, you will start performing very well on your career. Your boss will be happy with your work and be supportive for your growth and success. There will not be any office politics and this can give you good mental peace. If you are trying for government job, you can make it in the next 1 year. Your reputation at your workplace will go up and you will get rewarded financially very well in the next 1 year. You will get desired relocation, internal transfer with the current Jupiter transit. Business and secondary income. Business people would have experienced very bad results in the last 1 year. If you are running weak Mahadasa, there is no surprise if you have filed bankruptcy. Things might have been unusually hard and hidden politics might have drained out your energy level. Jupiter entering onto your 7th house is a very good news. You will take the past incidents as your experience and get ready to make positive move on your business. You will come up with creative ideas and that will get investor attention. Since Jupiter is aspecting your Labhasthanam, your profits will shoot up in the next 1 year. Cash flow is indicated from many sources, including foreign countries. You will get enough funding from new investors and bank loans. You will get big long-term projects that can keep generating good cash flow continuously. If you want to try out starting new business, it is a perfect time to do it. Freelancers, real estate, insurance and commission agents will start performing well and financial rewards are indicated on the cards. Lawsuit and litigation. Miserable Saturn and Jupiter combination might have given you legal problems or income tax audit problems in the past. You can expect a big relief with Jupiter moving on to your 7th house. The next Saturn transit on your 9th house on October 25th, 2017 is a good news for you. You will come out of all legal problems. You will get favorable judgments on child custody and alimony issues. If you are a victim, you can file a new lawsuit after November 2017. If you have any property related issues, it will also get fixed in the next 1 year. Travel or foreign travel and relocation. You would have suffered a lot with excessive traveling with no fortunes or getting stuck in foreign land for visa problems. During the next 1 year, you will come out of visa and immigration related problems. Your prolonged immigration benefits get approved. You will be happy in making international travel or visiting your homeland after many years. You will get best deals on booking tickets, rental cars, hotels. You will get very good hospitality wherever you travel. You will not get tired even after traveling or working for many hours. Your sound health will make sure you enjoy enough comforts in this life. If you have any plans to immigrate permanently to foreign country such as Canada or Australia, it is a good time to initiate the process. Saturn transit happening in October 2017 on your 9th house will support immigration to foreign land. Finance and money. Both Saturn and Jupiter would have drained out your finance completely in the past 1 year. There is no surprise, it would have been one of the worst years in your lifetime. The malefic effects of Jupiter would have gone up since you are going through Asthamasani as well. With the favorable Jupiter transit on your 7th house and Saturn on your 9th house from November 2017, you will start coming out of your financial problems gradually. The speed of recovery will depend on your natal chart. your debt mountain will get crushed into pieces and you will come out of financial problems with the strength of Jupiter. Your medical and travel expenses will be going down while income is shooting up. You will pay down your debts and improve your credit rating. You will qualify for new loans with 0% APR that will give you enough cash buffer. Trading and investments. The last 1 year was the worst time for professional traders and speculators. You would have burned a lot on your investments. No surprise if you have lost huge amount of money on speculative trading. You might have gone into panic mode by seeing the financial disaster in the past 1 year. Jupiter on your 9th house can stop further losses. But if you can expect any growth on your investment, still I would suggest you check your natal chart for further support. Otherwise, you need to write off your losses and move on to other investments like treasury bonds, gold, or any other fixed assets. Speculative trading can be profitable for most of the people only from July 2018. If you have been dreaming for buying home for many years, it can happen with the support of Jupiter in the next 1 year. It is a good time to do real estate transactions, that is both selling and buying. Movie stars and politicians. The worst period for movie stars, producers, directors, and distributors will come to an end completely with the positive transit of Jupiter on your 7th house. There will not be any problems with hidden enemies going forward. You will get excellent opportunities to prove yourself and you will be able to move up without any politics. If you are a movie star, you will do very well. The movie you act and release in the next 1 year will become super hit. You will gain more fame in the movie industry. Excellent financial rewards are indicated on the cards. Politician can see big victory if there is any election in the next 1 year. Remedies. Visit temples and avoid taking non-veg food on Saturdays. Visit any holy place of Saturn. Help older and handicapped people. Do charity as much as you can. The effects of the current Jupiter transit will vary in 4 phases based on Jupiter retrograde and direct stations. To know more details on these effects for your Rasi, please visit ktastro.com and click Jupiter Transit 2017 to 2018. Thank you for watching this video. You can follow me through Facebook, YouTube or Twitter. Thank you.